WORLDSymposium strives to recognize important achievements in therapy for lysosomal diseases for treatments attaining regulatory approval. In recognition of achieving major milestones, each year, the WORLDSymposium Awards Committee reviews potential recipients for the annual New Treatment Award. This award honors new treatments that are viewed as providing value to patients with lysosomal diseases and general acceptance as evidenced by approval by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, European Medicines Agency, and other regulatory authorities. This year, the 2025 WORLDSymposium New Treatment Awards will be presented to 3 outstanding new therapies. This year's first award goes to IntraBio for the FDA approval of AQNEURSA, levacetylleucine, for the treatment of neurological manifestations of Niemann-Pick disease, type C, in adults and pediatric patients weighing 15 kilograms or more. On behalf of IntraBio, the award is being accepted by Taylor Fields, Chief Development Officer.
Congratulations. On behalf of the Lysosomal WORLDSymposium, thanks for all your hard work and
thank you, Dr.
Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll get my little thing up. Thanks, everyone. My name is Taylor Fields, and I'm the Chief Development Officer of IntraBio. Thank you so much to WORLDSymposium and all the organizers for this recognition, and for another extremely productive and successful conference. It's been a bit of a surreal experience to attend World this year and be able to say N-acetyl-L-leucine, or IB1001 as I will always call it, is now an FDA-approved agent. When we founded IntraBio, our principal goal was to develop new treatments for rare neurodegenerative diseases and to do so as quickly as possible. And we're all extremely proud to have made a small dent in this effort with the approval of AQNEURSA for Niemann-Pick disease type C. I'm so privileged to be joined on stage by Dr. Mark Patterson, our recently appointed Chief Medical Officer, who has dedicated his career to understanding and advancing the care of lysosomal diseases like NPC. And from all of us at IntraBio, thank you. I want to thank our team, the many, many investigators. I see some faces, Dr. Ramaswamy, Dr. Ramova in the audience, who collaborated, as well as their study teams, and of course, the unbelievable support from the patient organizations who have been the most valuable partners. While we are so happy to celebrate this milestone, there is, of course, so much more work to do, and our focus remains on bringing this treatment to as many communities as possible. We're looking forward to continuing to collaborate with the entire lysosomal disease community on this effort, and thank you again for the recognition.
The second award goes to Orchard Therapeutics for receiving FDA approval of LENMELDY, atidarsagene autotemcel, also called LIBMELDY in Europe, for the treatment of children with pre-symptomatic late infantile, pre-symptomatic early juvenile, or early symptomatic early juvenile, collectively referred to as early-onset metachromatic leukodystrophy. On behalf of Orchard Therapeutics, the award is being accepted by Leslie Meltzer, Chief Medical Officer.
Congratulations. You say LENMELDY, I say LENMELDY. Best of success in your ongoing bringing this market this drug to the public. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bless you. So thank you, Dr. Whitley, and thank you to the WORLDSymposium organizers and the awards committee for recognizing this treatment advance following our FDA approval in March 2024. I'm Leslie Meltzer. I'm the Chief Medical Officer of Orchard Therapeutics, and I'm really proud to be joined by my colleague, Dr. Valeria Calbi, from the San Raffaele Telethon Institute for Gene Therapy in Milan, Italy, the team that were the scientific originators of LENMELDY, which we'll refer to as ARSA-cel during this presentation. I will say that helping deliver this amazing treatment to MLD patients has been the most meaningful and rewarding pursuit of my entire professional life, and I know many of my colleagues at Orchard share that sentiment. It is not often that we have the opportunity to bring such a profound therapy to patients. We think every day of the thousands of families who were, when presented with a diagnosis of MLD, which is a devastating diagnosis, were told that all they had to do, or all they could do, was bring their child home and lovingly keep them comfortable. And today, children with MLD have the opportunity for a very different life, and we look ahead to a much brighter future, but we never forget the sacrifice of those children and those families who made this all possible today. It really takes a village to pioneer these types of amazing treatments for truly ultra-rare, underserved populations. We at Orchard are so thankful to all the patients and the families who participated in the clinical trials, as well as the patient advocates, several of whom were recognized earlier this week at the Patient Advocacy Award. The progress of this program would not have been possible without your commitment and support. We are deeply thankful to the physicians in the US who provided valuable guidance to us and valuable insight to regulators throughout the world on the burden of this disease and the importance of bringing therapy to patients. To my fabulous team at Orchard Therapeutics who worked tirelessly to secure this FDA approval, I'm inspired and encouraged every day by your resilience in the face of uncertainty and what sometimes feels like insurmountable challenges. It's thanks to your ingenuity and your embodiment of our values of striving that we were able to make this important therapy available to patients in need. And it would be me to say that the work is not done. We continue to do everything we can to make this therapy available and truly an option to all patients through the work we're doing to support the community in their advancement of newborn screening for MLD. And of course, last but certainly not least, I want to thank our amazing partners at TGET who really spearheaded the development of this product from the beginning over 2 decades ago. We wouldn't be here without your dedication to the families affected by MLD. And with that, I'd like to turn it over to Dr. Kalbi to say a few words as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Leslie. I'm really honored to be here on behalf of my institution, San Raffaele Teleton Institute for Gene Therapy, that has been pioneering in developing this strategy at the beginning. And I really would like to thank Professor Alessandro Aiuti, the principal investigator of the clinical trials, for his trust. And then as a scientist and as a physician, it has been really a privilege to have the possibility to treat and follow our patient now for over 10 years, and also before me others, and seeing them moving the first steps, running or laughing is really a gift and is our true award, and I see with my eyes every day. But today, this is really a major achievement for the treatment of gene therapy and also for Fondazione Teleton, and this stands as a remarkable example of collaboration between a no-profit organization and an industry partner that has made this possible. And is knowing the challenges still ahead, like the global access of this advanced therapy for ultra-rare disorders and anticipate the diagnosis as soon as possible. Still, we want to celebrate this, and thanks to everybody that has made this possible, and especially the researchers, but mostly the patients and the family. So thank you.
Come this way. Good. Grazie. Congratulations and good luck. Thanks so much. Continued success.
And our final award for 2025 goes to Zevra Therapeutics for receiving FDA approval of MIPLYFFA, arimoclomol capsules, for use in combination with miglustat for the treatment of neurological symptoms associated with Niemann-Pick disease type C in adults and children 2 years of age and older. The award is being accepted by Louise Himmelstrup, Vice President of Regulatory Affairs.
Congratulations. Thanks for all your hard work, and congratulations on this award. Thank you.
Good morning. On behalf of Zevra Therapeutics, we are honored to accept a 2025 New Treatment Award for MIPLYFFA, which became the first US FDA approved treatment for Niemann-Pick disease type C, or NPC, in September 2024. I'm joined today by Christine Daly, VP Clinical Science at Zevra, to accept this award. Christina and I have been fortunate to contribute to the MIPLYFFA program since 2016, We are proud to reflect on the progress over the years, progress made possible in partnership with physicians, researchers, patient advocacy groups, and most importantly, patients and families living with NPC. The FDA approval of MIPLYFFA underscores the persistence required to overcome regulatory challenges and to deliver treatments to ultra-rare diseases. The FDA approval of MIPLYFFA underscores the persistence required to overcome persistent belief in arimoclomol's effect in NPC has been a driver to overcome the barriers faced in the regulatory process. One factor leading to the successful approval was the continuous data collection in the 5-year open label extension trial supported by the Expanded Access Program, or the EAP, established in both US and Europe to provide access to individuals living with NPC, where we simultaneously collected data to strengthen the MIPLYFFA data package. Further, a significant effort from the patient community, physicians, and colleagues enabled the further development of the NPC Clinical Severity Scale, which is the only NPC-specific validated endpoint. This tool will continue to support future development in the NPC community. There are significant people that could not be able to be here on stage today that have played a crucial role in this accomplishment. We are grateful for their contribution. While we are proud of this milestone, Zevra recognizes the need for treatments beyond the United States and will continue to strive for approvals in other regions. This 2025 New Treatment Award is not just for Zevra. It belongs to the entire NPC community, who fought tirelessly for MIPLYFFA's approval to become a reality. Thank you to the WORLDSymposium for this award. Thank you.